Good morning. Easter Sunday, out and about, catching the sun and appreciating life. There's a friend of mine I kept telling, get out and listen to the birds because they actually walk in a place with birds singing and they don't hear the birds singing. So I told them to get out and listen to the sound of birds. Uh, that shows that you are actually awake and aware, that you are there, that you're available. Uh, I don't know how to express it, but it's just shows that you're conscious of your surroundings, um, and that way you are able to handle life differently. If you can walk in a place with birds singing and you can't hear them, something is wrong. So today, make make a point of hearing the birds singing, of seeing things you don't see usually. Just be aware. Yeah, don't let life pass you by. There are a great deal more things to appreciate in life, and life appears more rewarding once we notice these things, like the song from the birds. Have a great morning.